I am on a mission to find the best food in Kennesaw. And I think I might have found it here at
Lopardo's.
My name is Scott Reinhold. I own Lopardo's New York Pizza and Pasta in Kennesaw, Georgia, right off the campus of Kennesaw State University.
So, can you tell us how did Lopardo's begin? What's y'all's origin story?
We've been cooking since we were 12 years old. So we started in Brooklyn, New York. We started cooking when we were 12 with our great grandmother. When we were little, we caused trouble. So in order to keep us out of trouble, what they would do is they would go ahead and make us cook. So, and then we've been doing it our entire lives. We had another restaurant in Roswell back in the 90s called Philly Pizza. And then one day we saw this open up over by Kennesaw State. We thought it was a good opportunity to start, our business, and we opened up Lopardo's. For our New York people, they come in for the pizza. They love the New York pizza. Philadelphia people come in for our cheesesteaks. If you look around, this is kind of like a New York industrial kind of feel. We also have a patio outside, which gives you the kind of Buckhead feel. So you want to come, have some drinks. We have a full bar. You can sit outside. It's kind of like Buckhead. Sit out there, have a few drinks. Then we have a beach beyond the patio. So we have cornhole out there. We have Jenga. We have games. So we kind of bring Panama City, maybe. So kind of like a spring break. We bring a beach to you as well. So, and it's all right here in Kennesaw. So you get the best of three different worlds all in one spot. We have three probably really popular items. The penne bacca that I made for you. That's one of our more popular pasta dishes. They also love the Alfredo. We do a really good Alfredo. We're voted best cheesesteak in Georgia. So a lot of people come in just for the cheesesteaks. And then, of course, just our slices of pizza. People love New York pizza. So they come in because they love a pizza they can fold, hold, and eat.
Alright, so here I am. I've got a plethora of items here. These are some of Lopardo's most popular dishes. We've got the Lopardo's special here. We got the cheese steak, and we even got some like garlic butter balls. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to try each and every one of these just to see what exactly Lopardo's is all about. So here we go. They were not wrong. The pizza is fantastic. One bite and I already want to eat. You should see the pizza that they gave me. That thing, he said it was 18 inches. I want to eat the whole thing by myself. There's so much on this pizza. It's incredible. Like, this pizza actually does taste really good. Alright, so next, I've had, trust me, I'm going to eat the rest of this later, but I got to get through this. So next we're going to have a bite of the cheese steak here. I can't wait. Honestly, if it's anything as good as the pizza, I honestly cannot wait to try the rest of this.
We're voted best cheesesteak in Georgia, so a lot of people come in just for the cheesesteak.
Alright, so there's no question. The cheesesteak is incredible. I'm not even joking here. I know I'm kind of repeating myself, but honestly, I had never had Lopardo's up until this moment, and I gotta say, I will definitely be going back, even when there's not a camera with me. I'm going back on my own time because, like, no lie, this is really good food. I'm not even joking around. I'm almost speechless, really. Like, it's really good. I mean, if you don't believe me, you gotta try some of this because, I mean, if only the camera had a way for me to actually give you the food and you could try it at home, because good grief, like this really does taste really good. And then finally, I'm going to try the side item here. This is like really good. I bet you this would be perfect if with the pasta. This is like breakfast, lunch, dinner. Like, I mean, this is really good food. Well,
Drink with
come
us.
on.
Eat. We got Wi-Fi. We got places for you to plug your computer in, do some work, hang out. We're here.
Very good.